Dear customers, today we talk about honeycomb curtains. Our UV printing machine can also print honeycomb curtains. If you need curtains or a machine, please contact us. Let's talk about honeycomb curtains. Honeycomb blind, also known as cellular shade, are a stylish and energy efficient window covering designed to provide insulation, privacy, and light control. They are made of soft yet durable fabric that forms a honeycomb shaped structure when viewed from the side. Let's talk about the benefit of honeycomb curtains. Energy saving. The unique honeycomb structure traps air, helping to keep room cool in summer and warm in winter. Sound absorption. Reduce noise from outside, creating a quieter indoor environment. Light filtering or blackout option available in different fabrics to control natural light based on your needs. Cordless or motorized option safe and modern, especially suitable for homes with children or pets. Elegant appearance, clean, modern look that fits well with any interior style. So if you like our product, you can place an order. We also manufacture UV printing machine, so you can directly buy a machine from us. If you need more information, please contact us. Thank you.